So welcome to just this quick tutorial on how to put together this very cute Santa card. You can cut it out on your Cricut and it makes for a great little gift. So we'll just head into Design Space, and once you've downloaded the file either from my Etsy store or my website, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can bring it into Design Space, and the first thing we need to do is size it to the size that you would like to cut it out. So I like to resize my cards to 14.5 centimeters square, because that way they actually fit on the mat perfectly. I can cut 4 pieces out of my 12-inch piece of cardstock, so they fit perfectly for me. But it's up to you, you can resize it to whatever size you like. Now once you bring it in, all of the layers are in there. If you want to ungroup them, you can see all of the layers there. There's 7 layers in this one. So they are all there. Now if you want to, you can put the right coloring that you want. If you don't want to use these colors, I find it easier if the color that you've got on the mat matches the color of cardstock, because I get less confused by cutting it out there. So this one I want to be completely white, so we'll just color that to white. All right, it's good to go. We can just go and make it. Save your project if you like, and now you'll see that they've come onto all these different mats. So I have a couple of black that I need to do, and it's put it on separate mats, but I want to cut it on the same mat. So I can use these 3 dots up here and click move object. I'm going to move it to the other black mat, so then I'll go over there and just separate those to where I want them. That saves me some card. All the others just have one piece cut out from them. All right, and then we're good to go. We can click continue. And once you've got to this point, it's just a matter of choosing what setting you want to cut it out on. I do recommend cardstock for intricate cuts. It does 2 passes over the cardstock, and I find that very helpful and makes a clean cut. All right, let's go and cut it out. Okay, so I've cut out all of the layers of this card. There they all are. Now having the setting of my Cricut on the intricate card setting meant that they cut out quite well, because this one particularly has quite a lot of intricate cuts on there, so you need that to help you along the way. All right, so let's put this together now. So I'm going to stick all of these layers together with glue, and I'm going to stick the top 2 layers together as well. But I'm going to put some dimensional tape in between this layer so that stands up a little bit higher to give it a bit of dimension. All right, let's go ahead and do that. So I'll be using my favorite glue, which is this one, which dries clear, but I like to pop it into this little container because it's got a little precision nozzle on it, which really helps. Okay, so we're going to start from the back. The back layers. Glue on the one going on top. The next one, I'll glue on here. Okay, and then the next one, which is this one. It is a good idea to just put little bits of glue around all of the little pieces that will be individuals there so that they stick on. This is why a good precision nozzle is always good. So we line it up. There we go. And then this one is a little bit more fiddly, but we'll just take our time with this one. Now, if it's not sticking, we can always use a bit more glue. Just where you need to. So all the pieces line up. There we go. Now we'll grab the top two pieces and we will just glue them together. There we go. Now I've just got these little squares which I'm going to use to just give this a bit of dimension. Grab my tweezers. Okay, final layer. And there we go. That gives that bit of dimension, makes it stand out a little bit more. Very good, there's all of our layers put together. So now you can just grab a folded card like this that's already pre-cut, or if you don't have one, there is a template that comes with the SVG that will give you a template for the card. And then we just are going to stick this one onto this. And there we go, Merry Christmas. Now you don't need to make this white, you could make it another colour and it would stand out, but white was the card that I just had. But that actually looks very good. Merry Christmas from Santa.